Linda can find a mirror everywhere, but this one is a bit strange. I wonder what's in here. Wow! This is a real chocolate treasure! Melt 10 ounces of dark and 7 ounces of white chocolate together. Cover a mold with vegetable oil and put in the melted chocolate. Spread it evenly over the walls. When it hardens, take the chocolate out of the mold. Trace the mold on parchment paper and pour out the melted chocolate to be inside the circle, not reaching the edge. Fill the candy with chocolate quark dessert or pudding. Put the hardened chocolate cap on top. Seal the candy with melted chocolate. Take the candy out of the mold when it hardens. Scratch 2 circles on top using an awl so that it looks like a real candy. Roll a big brown paper piece to get a cylinder. Put the candies inside. Make plugs from gold cardboard and put them in the ends of the tube and add a big label. My friend comes up when she smells chocolate and hears me munching happily. She wants a giant candy too. There is one more just for you in the package. Let's eat these giant rolls together. Daisy has a sweet lollipop. No doubts that it's delicious, except that it is quite plain. And what if we make it smaller? Clean a small paint pot cap and make a cut in its rim. Mix sugar with some water and white food coloring. Melt it in a double boiler. Pour it into the cap. Put a toothpick into the cut and wait until the caramel hardens. Cut off the excess toothpick and color the lollipop with food coloring. Paint an apple. The dream comes true, and Daisy has a miniature lollipop now. A tiny candy looks just like a regular one. And it's sweet, too. It disappears in your mouth at once. A very quick snack. Daisy is painting her new minimalistic masterpiece. But her picture is definitely missing something. Maybe colors. Emma has got an idea. Take a belt candy for inspiration. Daisy tastes the candy, and her artistic life changes at once. Wow! Well, let's add some colors. Knead white fondant with food coloring. Add green, pink, blue, and yellow colors. Roll out each part on parchment paper to get a thin and even strip. Cut off the excess. Apply water to the edges and attach the strips to each other. Sprinkle the wide wet strip with a mixture of 4 ounces of sugar with a tablespoon of citric acid. Press it in with a rolling pin. Snip off the excess parchment paper. Cut out a candy label. Make a wrapper from clear gift wrap and attach the label. Hot glue the edges. Trim the edge. Put in the candy. Inspired, Daisy adds colors to her landscape picture, and Emma puts on an entire rainbow with her giant candy. Now it's a whole different story. The rainbow belt is sweet and sour at the same time. It's a real art clash. The painter is full, and the picture looks bright and filled with joy. Did you like our sweet ideas? Then write in your comments which size of the candies you like the most, big or small. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new creative sweet ideas on the Troom Troom channel.